Okay, let's make us start with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you some questions and you have to answer. Let's start with you. Do you like sports?
Yeah, I like sports because sports are very healthy for us, and I prefer to play cricket because in my area a lot of playgrounds are about cricket, and we friends decided at weekends to play cricket in this
Okay,
ground
my friends usually decide to
side
play cricket on weekends.
on weekends.
Let's go on. Where did you learn to play cricket?
I learned cricket in my own area because there is a academy about cricket. I uh, I take a admission
I
in
took
I
admission.
took admission in this academy and I learned from their cricket.
Okay, that's good. Would you like to play any other game in the future?
Uh, I like to play badminton in future because it's also a very good game for our health, and that's why I like prefer to play
Okay, so try to
tennis.
expand your answer and use a variety of words. What you are doing now, you're using the same words as I'm using in the question. So try to expand on that vocabulary. It'll be better, okay? All right, it's your turn. Let's make us start. Do you like to read books?
Uh, Not usually, but sometime I have to read book because of my syllabus and because of my studies. But I'm not a fan of to reading books.
Okay, what type of books do people generally read?
People generally read novel type books, maybe because of their interest. But I prefer to read poetry books.
Okay, why?
It's because I generally love Iqbal, a famous poet in my nation. It's a famous poet of my nation. That's why I prefer to read
Are
his
books
poetry.
expensive in your country?
Not actually. In my country, people are not loving or loving. In my country, people are not love to read.
People don't love to read.
People don't love to read. I think that's why books are not expensive in my country.
Okay, let's go on. Why don't people go to the libraries these days?
These days, the internet facilities very facilitate people to learn from home. That's why people not
People don't
people
go to the
don't go to
libraries.
library. It has very positive views about internet learning because it can give you safety.
Okay, but we will not
transport.
discuss internet learning. We will only discuss the facts behind not going to the library. Okay, if you talk about internet, you are changing the topic. So just give a reference as a reason and then again come back to the main question, right? Thank you.